Hi, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. And just gonna put that out there, the whole ring-a-ding thing, probably not gonna happen in too many more of these videos. I'll just say ring-a-ding. How about that? Just forget the other part happened, okay? We don't need to talk about that. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for joining me on this one. I'm gonna show you guys how to create this look. You know, something like that. Anyways, you know me, intros, we don't get along, so, if you're new here, subscribe, it's free. Not very many things in life are. And if you like this look and you want to see how I got it, then just keep watching. We're Shadow Cream in the shade Victorious. Just gonna pop it on my finger, go for the gold, rub-a-dub-dub right in the tub, right there. Yeah, the background, it's coming along, it's probably gonna change a lot, you know, that's just how it goes. Just set that real quick. In previous single shadow tutorials I didn't set it, but you can, it'll make it a much more velvety texture and just makes it super easy. Grabbing a mid-tone shadow. All the shadows that I use will be listed down below. The star of the show I will go ahead and announce, but for this one, it's just a medium mid-tone, really beautiful chocolatey brown shade. And with a blending brush, I'll add this to the crease. Dippy-doo-dah twice. And just for reference, guys, I'm keeping my shadows blended between this point right here and then kind of that point right there from, excuse me, this point over. Alright? So just to let you know, I'm gonna go ham on the eyes. I think I will go in one more time and just give myself just a little bit more. Now this is not blended in, so give me a couple seconds here to get this blended in. Alright, beautiful. It's really soft, really just kind of an airbrushed look so far, but the real game changer in this one is going to be a liquid shadow of your choice. You can use any liquid shadow that you have. This is the Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, and it is in this shade Grace. So for this, I'm just going to take it and add it to the mobile lid only and see if I can't form kind of like a soft, just a shimmer over the lid. That's nice. So I'm going to take a Smith 247, it's kind of a smaller brush, and then I'm just going to feather this in on the edges. Alright, this shadow packed a serious punch. So here's my eyeballs floating around out here. So in order to, so if you ever get a look that looks like this, just take and add some more depth and grounding on the outer V and kind of bring it in as well. So for that, I'm going to just take a richer, darker chocolatey brown. It's kind of funny. So this is Makeup Geek's Latte, and this is Makeup Geek's Dark Roast. So apparently they go hand in hand, but just stick with that more defined brush, and then creasing up on you right on set. So for that, I'm gonna grab a pencil brush, dipping into the dark roast. Could use a little dark roast right now. And then run it along that lower lash line. For that extra drama. Extra drama llama. Is my mirror in the way? Was it in the way? You guys will let me know, right? I'm liking the look. I'm liking where we're at. We are looking good. So, real quick, gonna jump off camera, put on some liner and lashes. All I do is just kind of tight line up here. It looks really painful, but it's not. I think I've done it once on camera for y'all. I'm not really interested in doing it again. So when I come back on camera, I will have my lashes and everything else, and I will throw on a lip. So I will meet you back here in 0.3 in your time. And that is it. That is the completed look. I hope you guys all enjoyed this one, and I hope it will be easy for you guys to create in the future. I just did a couple of simple shadows, and then slipped a color in the crease essentially, and I did take a little bit of that dark roast and deepen it up, but you wouldn't even need to do that. You could definitely get away with just using these 3 shades. So I hope you all enjoyed. Let me preface this. Let me just say it right now. I'm not always going to have my hair in a ponytail, I promise. Mama forgot her hairspray today. It's been kind of a long day. Anyways, so hope you guys enjoyed this so much. I thought it was just really beautiful. As always, I'm going to link the lashes and the liner that I had on, as well as this lip color. So while we're at it, might as well mention it. It is the Too Faced Melted Latex in the shade Hopeless Romantic. That's a wrap, you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!